Hello, I'm recording in my bathroom today because it's noisy in the street and the neighbour upstairs is stomping around a bit, probably because he's sick of hearing the recorder. I'm sick of his stamping as well. And here you can see we're in the bathroom because I have my little elephant soap dish, which I got in a Japanese shop in Marrakesh, but that's neither here nor there. Irrelevant. Show off. Nothing to do with this song. No. Will you buy a fine dog with a hole in his head, with a dildo, with a dildo, dildo, with a dildo, dildo, dildo? Moths, cups, rebutters, and fine scissors thread, with a dildo, with a dildo, dildo, with a dildo, dildo. I stand not on points, pins, periwigs, combs, glasses, gloves, garters, girdles, flasks for the brisk lasses. But I have other dainty, dainty tricks, sleek stones and floating sticks, with a dildo, 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 diddle, diddle, dildo. And for a need my pretty, pretty, pretty pots, amber, civet, and musk cod, with a dildo, with a diddle diddle dildo, with a diddle 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 dildo, with a dildo, diddle 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 dildo.